Hey guys, this is my 1981 Yamaha Exciter 250T. Just going under some restorations right now. I recently just got this, traded a Sea-Doo for it. I don't think it was too bad. Motor's just in the process of getting redone right now. As you can see, it was all oxidized. Right now I'm just going over it with the 400 grit, wet or dry sandpaper. And then I'm just going to take the 1000 and then polish it out with chrome polish. Or aluminum polish, I should say. The front fender has little rust spots on it. If you guys know how to get those out, please leave a comment below. Let me know. I'd just like to know the best way to get it out without hurting the chrome. But anyway, as you can see, the seat, the overall bike is in good shape. It's all there and all original as well. 25,000 kilometers. I haven't had it running yet, but I know it will run. Well, the guy said it would run. But who knows? The registration did come with it, so that's a plus. Anyway, I'll keep you updated.